Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, where we going to show you how to split rent with your roommate using Cash App, a simple, fast, and hassle-free way to handle monthly payments. To begin, open the Cash App on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap the dollar icon bottom the bottom center. This is where you will enter the amount you want to request from your roommate. Now type the amount each person owns. You can split it evenly or enter a custom share based on your agreement. Next, tap on request. This will bring up your contact list. Choose the roommate you want to request from the selecting their hashtag, phone number, or email. You can repeat this process for multiple people if needed. Before sending, add a short note. That's August rent. That's as you like. And that's once everything looks good, tap request again to send the rent split request. And that's it. You have just learned how to split rent using Cash App quickly and clearly. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.